Today, I'm going to teach you how to upload multiple files to Claude AI. This is incredibly useful when you need Claude to analyze several documents, images, or data files at once, saving you time and allowing for more comprehensive analysis across multiple sources. First, open your web browser and head over to Claude AI. Once the page loads, you'll need to log in using your credentials to access your account. Make sure you're signed in properly before moving forward, as you'll need access to the main chat interface. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the main Claude interface. Look toward the center of your screen where the chat input box is located. This is where you'll normally type your messages to Claude. Right next to this input box, you should see a plus icon. Click on this icon and the menu will appear with different options. From this menu, select Add Files or Photos. This option is what allows you to bring external documents into your conversation with Claude. Here's where the real magic happens. Instead of uploading files one by one, you can select multiple files simultaneously. To do this, hold down the CTRL key on your keyboard. While keeping CTRL pressed, click on each file you want to upload. You can select as many files as you need for your task. Once you've selected all the files you want, click the Open button. This will upload all the selected files to Claude at once, making the process much more efficient than uploading them individually. Now that your files are uploaded, you'll want to give Claude some context about what you need. Click into the main chat input box and type your request. For example, you might type something like, "Please analyze these files." This tells Claude what you wanted to do with the documents you've just uploaded. Be as specific as you can with your request to get the most accurate and helpful response. Once you've typed your message, you have two options to send it. You can either press the Enter key on your keyboard, or you can click the Send button that appears near the chat input box. Either method will submit your request along with the files to Claude for processing. After sending your request, Claude will begin analyzing your files. Take a moment to review the response carefully. Claude will provide insights, summaries, or whatever analysis you requested based on the content of your uploaded files. This is where you can really see the power of uploading multiple files at once, as Claude can compare, contrast, and synthesize information across all the documents you've provided. And there you have it, you've successfully uploaded and analyzed multiple files using Claude AI. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.